Are you tired of dealing with stubborn acne? Well, I have some exciting news for you. Did you know that certain drinks can actually help improve your skin and minimize acne breakouts? Let's dive into the world of acne-fighting beverages and discover some delicious options. Number 1. Green tea, with its powerful antioxidants, can reduce inflammation and promote clear, glowing skin. Number 2. Aloe vera juice not only soothes the skin but also helps detoxify your body and nourish it from within. Number 3. Sipping on a refreshing glass of cucumber-infused water can hydrate your skin and flush out toxins. Number 4. Add some lemon to your water for a boost of vitamin C and a natural detoxifier that can minimize acne. Number 5. Coconut water is not only hydrating but also packed with nutrients that can promote a healthy complexion. Number 6. Apple cider vinegar mixed with water can help balance the pH of your skin and reduce acne-causing bacteria. Number 7. Pineapple juice contains bromelain, an enzyme that aids in digestion and can prevent inflammation and breakouts. Number 8. Enjoy a glass of carrot juice to provide your skin with beta-carotene, which is vital for healthy skin cells. Number 9. Turmeric latte, made with turmeric and almond milk, can help fight inflammation and give you a clearer complexion. Number 10. Ginger tea is not only soothing for your stomach but also boosts blood circulation, which can improve your skin. Number 11. Swap out sugary drinks for green smoothies filled with leafy greens, berries, and coconut water to nourish your skin. Number 12. A glass of pomegranate juice can reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, making your skin clearer. Include plenty of herbal teas in your diet, like chamomile and peppermint, for their calming and detoxifying benefits. Number 13. Tomato juice is packed with antioxidants that can soothe irritations and reduce the appearance of acne scars. Number 14. Watermelon juice, with its high water content, can hydrate your skin and flush out toxins to minimize breakouts. Number 15. Don't forget about spearmint tea, which can help regulate hormones and reduce excess oil production in your skin. Number 16. Guava juice is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that can rejuvenate your skin and promote a healthy complexion. Number 17. Hibiscus tea, with its anti-inflammatory properties, can help reduce redness and inflammation caused by acne. So, next time you're looking for a refreshing drink, consider reaching for one of these acne-fighting options. Incorporating these beverages into your daily routine can have a positive impact on your skin, inside and out. Remember, clear and glowing skin starts from within, and these drinks can be a delicious way to support that journey. Cheers to healthier skin and bidding farewell to troublesome acne once and for all.